We are given a list and a target sum, and we want two positions whose values add up to that target. In 3, 1, 7, 4, 9, 2 with target 11, the 7 and the 4 add up, so we return their indices 2 and 3. The slow way checks every pair. A hash map lets us do it in one pass. For each element, the partner it needs is simply the target minus that element. So as we scan, we ask, have I already seen the partner this element needs? To answer instantly, we keep a map from each value we have seen to its index. If the needed partner is in the map, we return that stored index together with the current one. Otherwise, we record the current value and move on. We keep a map called scene. For each index, we compute the partner we need, target minus the current value. If that partner is already in the map, we return its index and the current index. If not, we store the current value with its index, then continue. If nothing matches, we return a pair of minus ones. Let's build the one-pass hashing solution. A map remembers each value we have passed, along with the index where it lived. For each value, we compute the partner it needs, and if we have already seen that partner, we return both indices. Otherwise, we record the current value and keep scanning, returning minus ones if no pair exists. Now, let's test it and hit run. For target 11, indices 2 and 3 hold the 7 and 4. For target 6, indices 3 and 5 work. And a target of 100 has no valid pair, so we get minus ones. For each value, we compute the partner it needs and check the map. If the partner is there, we return both indices. If not, we store the current value and continue, ending in minus ones if nothing adds up. We make a single pass and each map lookup is on average constant, so the time is order n. The map may store up to n values, so the space is order n as well. That beats the order n squared of checking every pair. Check the map for the needed partner before you store the current value, so you never pair an element with itself. Return the indices, not the values. And with duplicate numbers, be sure the two indices you return are distinct.